Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through the easiest way to activate your JetBlue Mastercard with no hassle. Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through the easiest way to activate your JetBlue Mastercard with no hassle. Activating your JetBlue Mastercard is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly either by phone, online, or through the mobile app. First, have your new JetBlue Mastercard ready, as you will need to enter or provide essential information such as your card number and the security code located on the back of your card. If you choose to activate by phone, simply call the number provided on the sticker attached to your new card. You'll be greeted by an automated system or a customer service representative who will guide you through the activation. Another option is to visit the official JetBlue Mastercard website. Look for the activation section where you can enter your card details securely. Once entered, follow the prompts to confirm your identity and finalize activation. Most users also find activating through the JetBlue mobile app convenient. Download and open the app if you haven't already. Log in to your account. Then access the card management section, where activation options are provided. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the activation step by step. During the activation process, make sure to verify your personal information for security reasons and to ensure your card is properly linked to your JetBlue account. With your card activated, you can immediately begin to enjoy all the benefits such as earning points on your purchases, accessing special JetBlue offers, and managing your account details easily online. Remember to keep your card and personal information secure at all times and contact JetBlue customer support if you encounter any issues. We hope this guide makes activating your JetBlue Mastercard easy and stress-free. At the end of your setup, you're all set to travel smarter and benefit more from your new card as soon as you use it. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful tips and guides.